Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please be part of the family by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified anytime we drop new videos so you don't miss out on anything. And if you are a returning subscriber, just know I love you so much. Thank you for always sticking around. I appreciate you and I love you so much. So this is our first video of the year, and I want to use this opportunity to welcome you all to this great year, and I pray that this year will be a blessed one for every one of us in Jesus' name. And I still want to give a special thanks to those of you who have been part of my journey since last year. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything you guys have been doing for me, for liking my video, for sharing my video, for watching my video, for referring my video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate, and I still want to plead with you guys that you guys should not give up on me. I still need your support. Please do it to like, to watch, to refer my video like you guys always do. So let's jump right into the business of today. So the video I made on Princess That Bustier last year, I think that was the second to the last video I made before the end of last year. Someone dropped a comment in form of a question, and this is the question right here. The question reads: when you sew the bust, that the cuff part that forms the bust is larger on one side than the other, how do you attach it without excess fabric? If you are familiar with Princess That Bustier, you will know that because of the darts in front, we have 3 pieces in front, right? And the center piece is always larger than the side pieces, as you can see right here. So when the person is asking that, when sewing, how do you attach the bust, the side pieces to the center pieces without having an excess fabric, since the center piece is larger than the side piece? Now we are going to sew the darts, and we're going to place the side piece to the center piece, place them together, and then I'm going to pin it down. The reason I'm pinning it down before we sew is because I want you guys to see everything I'm doing. So place them right side to right side like we always do. When you are sewing, you have to place your fabric right side to right side. Then you pin all the way like the way I'm doing right now. Make sure when you are pinning, make them equal. Okay, make sure they are equal when you are pinning. Then you pin all the way. So when you pin to this extent, you can see that the remaining part is curved, kind of. It's because of the bust. So here is where the problem is. If you are not careful here, if you don't pin it down the right way, you discover you have an excess fabric at the end of the day. So you make sure you follow the curve while making the 2 pieces equal. Then you're going to achieve what you want at the end of the day. So you pay attention to how I am pinning it down. Make sure you make the 2 pieces equal before you pin down while following the curve. All right, you see what I'm doing? Make sure the 2 pieces are equal while following the curve. So you drag, you make them equal, then you pin down. Please don't sew straight. If you sew straight, the side piece is going to be shorter than the center piece. So make sure you follow the curve while making the 2 pieces equal, like so. You see that they are equal at the end of the day. So this is the trick. This is how to go about sewing the front darts for Princess That Bustier. If you follow this trick, you're going to achieve what you want at the end of the day. So this is how to go about it. You can see now that the two pieces are equal. For you to achieve a perfect princess dart, you have to be diplomatic, in the sense that you have to follow how the cutting of the fabric is while maintaining a straight sewing. With that, you are going to achieve a perfect princess dart at the end of the day. So this is how to go about it. You can see how nice the dart is looking even without sewing yet. You can see, right? So when you open it up, this is how it's going to look like. You see, we've not even sewn it here and it's looking this nice. We've not ironed, we've not sewn, and it's this good with just pin. So this is how to go about it. The reason why this bust part is looking so flat is because we not add wording to it. So it's just a normal sewing. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side now. So we can head over to the machine and sew. So it's the same process I'm going to repeat. So when you get to this bust part, you have to use your hand to arrange it. You drag and you pin to make it even. So you make sure you're using your hand to control it. It's the same thing we did on the other side that we are doing here. So this is how to go about it. You make sure you are using your hand to arrange before you pin. You don't just pin straight like that. You follow the curve using your hand to arrange it. You see? So we have it equal at the end of the day. So this is how to go about it. So when you open it up, this is how it's going to look like. You can see. So this is how to go about joining your princess darts. So I'm going to head over to the machine and join the two darts together. Then I'll come and show you guys the result. So I've gone ahead to do that. This is it. You can see how neat the dart is looking. The reason why the bust area is looking flat is because we did not add wording to it. As you can see, we did not add breast pad to it. So by the time you add breast pad to it, this area is going to be looking like this. So this is just it for it. So you can see this breast area, this bust point looking very normal, just like a normal bust. Is not pointing out. So many people have this issue after sewing their princess that area will be pointing out. Is either because of how they cut or how they sew. So if you have not watched the cutting or the drafting parts, please go back and watch it so that you will know how to cut your princess darts without having this area pointing out. Okay, you can see how mine is looking very neat and very normal. That bust area is not pointed, is not pointing out. It's because of how we cut it and the way we sew. Okay, this is the trick here. It's not pointing out. You can see it's looking very normal. So this is how to go about it. If you have not watched the drafting part, please go ahead and watch it. And thank you so much for staying tuned. We've come to the end of this video. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do where to subscribe, like this video and share. See you in my next video. Bye.